Utie Oha Extra Punk no. Needs FM.
Of the matter surrounding this registration and all that. Yeah, na me pese me nuanom NDC fo kasa. Wo kasa ma wo kasa ne wie pay your nefa CP. Say new register no yen NDC yen nyintum omu bi enkoto. Enkoto anything. Say make it categorical. You are not going to be part of the process and we will celebrate for you. Me, if John Mahama says that he's not contesting, I'll be very happy because he's not going to help Ghana in any way. Not at all. And Omuno, as at now, there is so much that has happened under Akufo-Addo. Achievement, yebe yusu diaton Akufo-Addo it's so much.
But they say they can't see
policy alternatives of that they have to contest. What are you going to use?
The Omo can say more borrow so much within 3.5 years.
Yes.
Nothing to show off.
Thank you very much. Year 2008, when President Kufuor was leaving, Ghana's debt was around 9.5 billion. Okay? And from President Kufuor to Atamils, I call 39 million dollars. Billion.
120 billion.
And from Atamils, nyamenfa ne currency kwan a wode efa mu free mu na John Mahama be take over in from 39 billion in 4 years left behind a debt of 122 billion. According to 22 billion according to NDC documents. It's 120. No problem.
Oh, please.
I don't have any problem with that. Whether it's 20 or 122 billion. From 39, this is where John Mahama in 4 years sent us to. What was there to show? Let me tell you.
35 billion.
It's not
but
true.
No.
Me pese me di masemisi, but I will Google and get you the current figures.
Okay.
From Ministry of Finance.
Okay.
I will get it for you.
Okay.
Later. Nia say atu omune say like omu hu message ben ene famra. And for instance, yanko tia President John Mahama me kan about nursing training allowance, teacher training allowance. And then there was so ba obe maintain okay yesu si ni pise say ebe koso na abato no kura nursing training allowance de ema because
empanyi say kwase na ensesa na
adwene
nti wasesa na adwene.
Thank you. Or say who the allowance bata ho a ema quota system nipa omutimi ko school no esua and na me say look, every educational institution has a quota system, allowance or no allowance sana etie and na there was oba obey allowance me amiti here true say kan nye teacher training allowance and can me metna say bia me so me obi amikura master's degree amitimi adwene kwa akire. It's teacher training allowance that financed my education. And then from there once I became
benefited.
Yes, once I became a government worker, me kakra na media bedru babia media dri. I confusion I see what NDC money say enka se see at this crucial period ayeti hoyi enka asafuaje as eloquent as he is, he should have been debating policy alternatives, not register that the NDC has no say. The wishes of the people, lecturer now interview no can be say majority of Ghanaians is a fallacy. The wishes of the people of Ghana is embedded in the 1992 constitution, and that is what the EC is pursuing. We have no qualms with the EC because we cannot fight the constitution. Sana assembly. Let me tell Enra message press conference. Your friend is NDC national chairman. Uncle can say me entia. IPAC na ye de achechere o mai achechere ya batu ansem abepemisi say no. They say NDC are boycotting IPAC. Into what said the IPAC is now like it has been reduced to a JSS assembly. NDC in Kahunti Ghana for na akana omote wetu watu ajuna omu JSS for. Sebi me a trained teacher. Even when you are going to teach a class 1 pupil, you prepare because the head of that child is not empty. And yes, I went in Begwase. And all this omo the hot statement to say ba ade be na omo da front page na ye discuss NDC and NDC say and NDC say and ye discuss and what I want listeners to understand and see ni say ya tasty NDC no ya tasty John Mahama in particular, President John Mahama in particular. I have a lot of respect for him, but when it comes to national leadership, he is not competent for it as far as I'm concerned. Oka omu ye Ghana for bukata for 19 bi within 2013 to 2016 what ya John Mahama, President John Mahama announced say oti na ketua so by 10% and na pamfo nyina 10% a omodi besi chips compounds asafo ajebe kan dodo omwasi over 1,000 blah 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 2013 na sa decision ne ba ya omo say omo 10% no omo de boy si chips compounds no by 2016 na omo be free aban mu no President John Mahama ema omo tu akatua mu omo wura mu tu akatua mu ema Article 71 office holders, including President Mahama and his appointees, Yamamo 10% increment, and backdated to 2013 when they started paying the 10%. What did they pay to Ghana? That is 419. That is why they ran out of credibility and policy credibility, and they had to hide under IMF. Now yedi o mamu akwasha IMF ase say yamaye nsaso yedi amanapem ya wi amanato nkase. The economy that was left behind, and yet, I mean, a lot of intelligence and competence that have been put into this economy. And kayen to me, and se corona ba, then we attract $1 billion interest-free, no conditionalities. When you put us under conditionalities, freeze employment for the youth, and for years. We were under IMF and you could not employ. Obiaba de NAPCO aba or the free SHS aba or mukrano e yo muwanwa say nanado hifan offer sikana free. Where are the ideas coming from? And so today you have to throw mud out there so that you remain relevant as an opposition party in the eyes of the media, in the eyes of the general public. It is most unfortunate. Say as antifoka say we complained. One of the things that we went to election 2016 with was corruption. That the presidency, the government was full of corruption. Today we are proving it. The courts are vindicating our stand. The NCA case. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, venture capital, Mahama's appointee, the venture capital board is willing to refund money. 15 million. Capital Bank. See, whether he's NDC or not, NDC are buying their diagnostic assessment and solution to the mess in the banking sector was to refinance them. You gave Capital Bank, you gave him 620 million to, solve the liquidity problems of the bank. Enyunugui. Ekosi saying, but they are willing today. The case is ongoing. Mr. Mohamed now more review me charges and ekakra. Just a few have been jailed. People are coming on board to refund what was stolen from the state. Now we as Sremni Banama can say, from independent to today, the biggest infrastructural project that the northern sector, now 5 regions, has ever benefited is the Kwalugu multipurpose dam that is ongoing. It will transform and change the life of the people of the north and reduce this rural-urban migration. Those kind of things. It will reduce because it's going to provide thousands of jobs for our people. That is what we are talking about. So we go slim and miniaba who are won free hokrano. So we go nese wo kobwa obi a wo yen kokko o yen confirm e wo slim Wuntimi nkochire ne se ne aye confirm. What we need is the market for the product. That was the problem. But John Mahama, who thought that they should do rearing of guinea fowls to show how farmers how to farm. ukosire mu sesi a wutimi hu se akoko batan nam ho a nkomfem ma na di nachi because they remove the X and put we know how to go about it. We don't need a government to come and teach us. Look at the mess that went down the drain, and we are bringing each and every individual to book, and we are proving. Now to bar power no. One of the things, if you're talking of almost my launch corruption tracker, if you are talking of a dedicated leader, I am telling you that to support the fight against corruption, you strengthen the corruption institutions. For Christ's sake, the president cannot hold anybody by the neck to vomit money. It has to go through court processes. It has to go through investigations. And by with a tattered, wretched economy, from 2017. 2017 now, Nanadu making sure say 25% of the budgetary allocation of corruption fighting institutions, it was increased 25%. 2018, 2019, each of these years 34% increment now, for auditor general, for controller general, for CID, for special prosecutor, omunina to fight corruption. So, and there is no single, I am saying, yeah.
Okay.
The Charles Bisu is still before special prosecutor. He's still following the process.
But then I was a CID for so McLean.
No. Nearby and say CID for and yes CID for Crown Charles Bisu ni lawyers and about because CID are clear. Nearby and say CID so mobile investigation. And I'm afraid Anas, who is the main complainant, to bring them more information. And Anas so what the case now come as special prosecutor. He trusts and believes in the special prosecutor and on cooperating with CID. So the CID hit a rock. There was no way. I mean, so on cooperative. Where else will you go and gather information? So and that is how the CID ended it. Okay. Just like
it's still with the special prosecutor.
It's still with the special prosecutor. Okay. We are all hoping that you expedite action and then the right thing will be done. Okay. That is how it is. Just like if you cannot in your wildest imagination compare Nanado's administration to that of John Mahama.
Senaba.
Utie oha exi punk no. Needs FM.